students and one student had to lose their lives in the laxity that has been shown by the Delhi administration in making sure that the drains are not cleaned out here in the national capital. This incident happened at approximately 7 p.m. last night when that call was made to the Delhi police post that the rescue operations had started. The rescue operations actually came to an end at approximately 4 a.m. this morning, and post that the students out here have been protesting. Now, as a face-saving measure, steps are being taken by the MCD finally to clear the silt that was present over here, due to which the waterlogging had happened. If at all this action would have been taken hours before or days before the monsoon had hit the national capital, then definitely such an incident would not have happened. You can see in the visuals over here, now finally hours after the people have lost their lives, three students have lost their life. Now the MCD has jumped into action. They are clearing the silt off the road. They are cleaning the drainages out here. You can see the condition of this entire area. This is one of the most posh areas in the national capital, and you can see the kind of arrangements that were already put in place over here. Due to this mud that had collected on the drains, the water was not able to recede into the drains, and that is the reason why the basement of this IAS officers coaching center was filled with water. Now the MCD is actually going ahead and cleaning those drains as well. These big machines that you see put up over here, these machines are now finally carrying out suction from the drains, making sure the drains are clean. But if at all this action would have been taken just a few days ago, then probably the 3 lives that have been lost, these lives must not have been lost. Now at this point in time, the Delhi police has gone ahead and registered an FIR in this entire matter. 3 students, 2 women students and 1 male student had to lose their life because they were studying in the library of this basement at approximately 7 p.m. last night, when suddenly there was an influx of lot of water that had gathered over here. And why did that water gather over here? Because of the laxity that has been shown by the administration, due to which we are seeing that waterlogging is an issue that is being faced by people day in and day out. If at all this work that is being done at this point in time, this work would have been done hours ago or probably days ago, as the monsoon was hitting in out here in the national capital, then probably all these lives could have been saved. Who is responsible for the loss of these lives is something that the students who study out here, who give their hard work out here, they are asking at this point in time. Yes, politics has already started, but this is an issue on which politics will not find a solution. It is a civic issue, and civilians like us actually needs to find a solution. Will that happen? That is something that remains to be seen. The political bickering has started. Police has registered a case. MCD has finally woken up and has jumped into action. It remains to be seen how much of it will eventually reflect on the ground, and if at all anyone would be held responsible for the loss of lives of these 3 kids who were studying over here, trying to give the most competitive exams out here in the country.
We are also working for the same. We are in the same team.
Well, yes, at this point in time, the family is still at the hospitals. They were called straight to the hospital by the Delhi police, where they are making sure that the paperwork is being done before the post-mortem of all the students are done. But at this point in time, the larger concern of the students over here who are present on ground zero, they say that the number of casualties could actually be a lot more than what is being told by the administration or what is being claimed by the administration at this point in time. So that is a part of investigation. Once the investigation starts into this entire matter, it remains to be seen what is the exact figure of students who were stuck inside, because the students were not only present in the basement is what we are being told, but also on the first floor of this building, the students were also present over there. Apart from this, the students continue to maintain that the manner in which this entire administration has been working, this is something that has raised a lot of questions on the willingness to actually make sure that the entire situation does not happen like this. Not only this coaching institutes, but the students claim that there are a lot of coaching institutes that are working without the requisite NOCs. The basements of these in fact private properties are being used as commercial properties as well. So this is a claim that is being made by a lot of students, and all this happens because of the corruption that happens at various levels of the administration. Now over here, the students are in no mood to go back or to make sure that they get back without getting justice in this entire matter. They are sitting on a dharna over here. They say that they will not move until and unless serious action is taken against the people who are perpetrators of this entire crime. So definitely a lot of anger amongst the students over here on ground zero, a lot of frustration, as not only due to because of the death that has happened, but also the facilities that are provided to them in this very posh areas where the students actually have to pay at least rupees 2 lakhs to get enrolled in a session in such IAS training institutes. Apart from this 15 to 20,000 rupees in rent they have to pay for staying in this very posh locality of the national capital. And even after that, the kind of facilities that the students are getting, this is something that has angered the students over the last many years. And now this incident that has happened has become a tipping point for the students, due to which we are seeing that there is a lot of anger and frustration that can be sensed amongst the students over here. They continue to demand justice. It remains to be seen if at all the administration will finally wake up and give them the justice that the students deserve over here. क्या हुआ आपको, क्या समझ में आ रहा है? आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं आज?
सुनने में आ रहा है कि मतलब यहाँ पे जो सीवर के पानी से राउज आईएएस का जो बेसमेंट में लाइब्रेरी था उसमें पूरा वाटर लॉकिंग हो गया।
अभी आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अभी क्या डिमांड था?
डिमांड अभी ये है कि सबसे पहले तो आप सीसीटीवी फुटेज दीजिए, क्योंकि प्रशासन बोल रहा है 2 से 3 कैजुअलिटीज हुई हैं, 3 डेथ ये लोग बता रहे हैं, बट स्टूडेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि वो बायोमेट्रिक था, वहाँ पे डोर लॉक हो गया था, उसका सिस्टम फेल कर गया था, तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट निकल ही नहीं पाए और कैजुअलिटी माइट बी बिटवीन 20 to 30 कैजुअलिटीज।
अच्छा।
और उसका ये लो सीसीटीवी फुटेज मेन कंसर्न है कि वो आप लोग जारी करो, प्रशासन वो दे नहीं रही है सर। और प्लस FIR अभी तक किसको क्या एक्यूज किया जा रहा है ये भी नहीं पता चला है सर।